Good morning, my dear students, juniors, and respected guardians. After 2 to 3 or 4 days of examinations, after analyzing the PG papers, seeing overall response, I am doing this video for all the PG aspirants. All the PG aspirants are here right now and they are waiting for their results. Okay, some doctors are joined to their duties or some are planning to do so. Some are also planning for the November INICT. This is the time to plan something for your career. My discussion is overall for the students. Now you are at the middle phase of your career. You cannot go back. You have to move forward. And the competition is getting tough and tough. You also have developed some ideas about the hostels, about the fee, about the working environment in India, and you also have some opinions. It is better to share your opinion and match it with the reality. In which right now the burning issue is NRI status, which you are also seeing. Government has changed the NRI rules and performa. They are keep on changing this. Why? Have you thought this? And who is forcing to change this? What is the effect of this? In clear cut and in very simple manner, if I want to say that to promote lower students and to generate money. That's it. Next, what is happening behind NRI quota and super management quota, you are also knowing. Why the percentage is getting lowered each and every time, you are also knowing. But why do you want to hear from the counselors that what you can do? No one can do nothing because system has its own speed and you cannot expect a massive change in a day. For you, what you are getting or what you can do best for your sustenance, you should do. You have to prove yourself in each and every part of life, and thus the life is full of struggle. In this examination, as usual, the overall paper was good. 510 or 20, maybe the cutoff mark as per the experts, but I don't have very good idea about this. It may be more than 5 or 10%. But all those things will not affect your career. The overall seat position is almost same. 30 to 35% seat will be filled either in government or private sectors, and the remaining students are again going for the coachings or going for the partial job plus coachings. The cycle or the number of students are increasing day by day because number of incoming students, that means the UG passing students are more. The backlog is not cleared. So it's a simple mechanism by which you can analyze the things. If people are telling you can do much better in next attempt, it is only a fallacies. How much improvement you can bring inside, you know it very well. Face the reality. You can just change it by 5, 10 or 15%, or the result may be in negative side too. When you are not able to cross a threshold, it's a gratefulness to repeat the exams again and again. That means ki I am against the dropout. You can have one or two dropouts. These things I am telling for both UG or PG students. But the main thing at this age, that you also have to realize your responsibility. It is the correct time. And if you are thinking, if you are a spoon fed candidate, then nothing to say for. Then you have to understand now what subject you have to take, what is your economic conditions, what you have to prove yourself, where you have to go, plan it. And plan must face the reality. Okay? Then a lot of by this lecture a lot of candidates will be benefited. Take your time, but once the decision is made, that is final. All the subjects and all the streams are pretty good depending on your choice. You have to select them. If require, adjust with the lower branches, or if you have not spent the money in undergraduate, in postgraduate, you can compete with money also for the NRI quota, for management quota. All those things are available. But after passing from those quota, also when you will enter in your field, again the same competition. So mind it, or take your steps with full determination. I am not here to tell that something is happening in NRI quota, because you are already knowing all those things. In India, things are present and the corruption is going at its extreme level. If I will say, there is also very tough competition between the corrupt situations and the departments. It is very tough to prove who is guilty, because no one is ready to take their responsibility. Someone will take this, someone will take that, someone will take. Then always they will not keep the ball in their hand, they will just surpass it. But mind it, this situation is not going to be lasting for very long time. As the media, as the learned persons are here and they started arising questions, they will also have to answer. Counselings and seats managements are varying. Counselings are also not transparent, and a lot of possibilities are coming in front of you. For that, you may need some good suggestions. If you are doing it by yourself and started a new things in your life, most welcome. Because lastly, you are only your friends. Need not to consult anyone. But if you are facing some problem in this era, it is very tough to find a neutral person to guide you after paying money also. Hence, welcome to this competitive world where an eligible person are not only facing one problem, but a group of problems are coming from all the sides, and you have to eliminate all those for your success. Seat taking, branch taking, joining a nursing home or open a nursing home for himself, place changing or not changing, all those situations are a part of this problem. Here, people are telling a lot of things, but before that, you should also judge what they know. In NEET examination, there is 50 percentile is the lower criteria, but it is only for the doctors. If you want to be a teacher or in any other professions, there is also not such criteria. And in second round or third round, after lowering the percentile, it is coming to 5% or 0% or 10 or 15%. That means only 5 to 10% students are not able to choose their career if they are having enough money. If you are having enough money also, apply your brain where to use that money, because brain plus money is a very good combination for the success of life. You can write to me, you can ask me if you find a suitable guide inside me for your counseling processes. Before any statement, I also study a lot and compare all the datas. After that, I give some verdict. Thank you.